Halina sa cuisine. So today, guys, we got M for Magnum, not Magnum. Magnum white chocolate and cookies. Never stop playing. Oh, let's forget that. So this is basically a new one of these. It's not like the other ones with the normal. So it says press to crack. So you have to press it to crack it. So this is like the new Magnum Ice Cream. So like this. So let's open this up. So let's open it up. There we go. So open, wait and crack. So we've got the cracking bit, we've got the opening bit. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes just for a piece of ice cream. You know, guys, I tried to do 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I didn't even do the timer yet correctly. I didn't wait for 10 minutes. I waited for 5 minutes. What I see is really melted. What is this? So I'm pressing to crack it because I'm a crackhead. So let's crack it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay. I can't do it. So let me try and hit it. So I'm gonna break the ice cream. Thank you. So I got a cracker to help me, or parents. So now the chocolate bit layer, the ice cream is finished. I'm gonna try it. Like an ordinary white chocolate bar with tastiness. So cool. So you should really get this because it has chocolate and ice cream. Very good combination. Press it to crack. You should say you need a cracker to crack it open, not yourself. I should save some for tomorrow. That's what I'm saying, guys. If you leave it for 10 minutes, this thing will be really melted. So, one thing you must learn: never trust Magnum instructions, because they always make it wrong. So anyway, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below, put a thumbs up, and bye. Okay, I need a crackhead to crack this again.